This video we are talking about how to connect out this mini peephole door camera with one-way talk because I have low speaker on this part to iCam365 app. So when we get this product, we need to connect the cable to the monitor and be check if it have the dust on it. If you check have, you need to use a mouse to blow it and then plug in the right direction and hard. And then turn on the monitor part. And then you will check the view. And when you hear the voice, we open the iCam365 app to control app. If you do not hear the voice for the pairing mode, you need to press the home button on about 5 to 8 seconds to reset this doorbell. So now we hear the voice, we open the cam directly, click add device, and scan the QR code and recognize the device and input your password. And make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G and connect next. And also scan the QR code of this camera part, just like this. And connect next. And now it's connect successfully and name this product and next connect next and complete, and then we add to the app successfully and check here for the live video, and then you will see like this. This mini one have low space to install the air card for the doorbell face some resistance. It have the color cast because have low air cards for this mini one. So thank you for watching this video.